Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the VATIMA Hyacinth Large Wicker Basket, perfect for organizing your home beautifully. This rectangular basket measures 15.5 by 10.8 by 6.2 inches and features sturdy wooden handles for easy carrying. Made from 100% natural water hyacinth, it is handcrafted with care and includes an iron frame for durability. Use it to store magazines, games, pet toys, or household items in your kitchen, pantry, or bathroom. Its natural design adds a charming, neutral touch that brightens any room and impresses guests. Plus, it supports a sustainable lifestyle, making it a thoughtful and eco-friendly gift choice. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.